What do?
Never do that. Like go look guava and stuff.
Go look guava?
Yeah.
That was scared.
Just explore. And that we
Just explore. Anyhow. I never do that. No, one time I did. I go. I go and peeps. Over there hang out with Natasha. This is for a celebration of getting back the Richard Brown Films channel. Yeah, I'm not a drinker. So,
Hi guys.
me and Natasha hang out. She's just turning on my new best friend. So, I'm gonna tell her, well, not all, some of my deepest, some of my deep secret them. I think I want to see her, so me take Natasha and tell her everything.
No, it's not
I think
Paris.
so. Okay. So, my friend. So if you don't know nobody else, I'm a friend.
Akin is
Natasha.
a really nice guy.
Natasha is my friend.
And his
You know.
friend.
Oh, what you know what thing too? What interesting? When we just meet at this one.
Don't say that, Akin. You see
Somebody
when we
say.
just meet,
When we just meet, what happened?
me feel a way like, for the entire night, even in the morning, and me did surprise video when you text me and say, like, I don't remember what you did say to me, but me did like, oh my god, because me did feel a way. Me I say like, why you would have say something like that to me?
No, but my craft. No, she. Alright, I can't use the word disrespect my craft. I don't know how I love video and camera, and that's how I express myself. Somebody kind of feel offended, a little bit.
What did I say?
You say, look, check back the message then.
I did not say anything to you, and you say, bye miss. Bye miss. Like I said, come off of my phone. What that girl you text me?
No, because the thing is,
I was like,
no, you compare me to some other people where, and you talk about some people intention. And then you put me in the same group, and I say, oh, John, no start even after we do all of this, and you still put me in
you
some.
probably look at that the wrong way.
Probably.
Yeah, you look at that the wrong way.
So anyways, what we are doing? We're over the golf course, people. I take some photos with Natasha. If you're looking at the community section of the channel, I'm tell us we are hang out today. So what? Stunt? I mean stunt. I have one girl. I have a female friend that I do not want to have sex with. Feels good. What make you look for me, sir? That sound weird a while ago? I don't hear me, sir. So I'm just tell the people I have one female friend where I don't want to have sex with. And it feels nice.
I love Akin so much, but I just don't see him as somebody we would have sex with.
Good. So we can express ourselves about any and everything. So I can't tell you anything and we will have no compromise. Yeah, I feel good I tell people my secret. Well, not people, I tell you my secret. So, what we are doing? What we are doing another one? We are take picture, but apart from that. Anyway, you want to tell me more about you or we don't know?
You know everything about me.
We don't know?
You know everything about me.
No, I don't know everything about you.
There is nothing about me that like you really hide. Yeah. I'm just me. I don't really have nothing about my mother say like mother hide or so.
I don't know, I try to find something fun to do in the video, but I don't know. I never did drink none of this. Oh, so you know, my face kind of feel numb. A little bit under the influence, a little bit. Natasha, which part I go? What?
Going where it's clean.
Alright, where follow you? So for right now, I follow her. I just follow her. And our free spirit. So, I'm going to take that time off to thank you for the support. The video, Love Entanglement, it was supposed to be Love Triangle, but Richie said, yeah, Richie said I'm going to change the name, so I'm just change it. Like, I never really want to change it still, but for some reason, I think it better I call it Love Entanglement, so I just change it. Because I did inspire me to do short films in the first place, so I just work with it. So I gotta skip Boom flick.
Boom flick.
Hold on. Mind you hurt yourself, you know, that matter.
Ready?
Ready? That is not boom flick.
We can't flick.
You know, it's a boom flick on the side one though.
Can't do that stuff.
Boom flick on the side one. Differently though. Zoom in back. I ask her some personal question. No, I can't ask her. I ask her which guy down here I like, but I can't ask her that. We talk about some things that are close to you. Tell me about some things that are really, really close to you. Probably, I don't know. Probably family. I don't know. I want the people to know
Your
about
lens
you.
don't wipe off. Me and turn Richie pan, you know.
Oh. I see it clear though.
Okay. So as you were saying, some things that family. My family kind of complicated a bit.
Why is your family complicated?
Because both my parents died.
Shucks. John was start. Why am I not consider that every time I ask about family? Condolences. You wanna talk about it? Talk about your favorite one first, if you had a favorite.
Favorite?
Mommy or daddy?
I didn't grow with my father, but I did grow with my stepfather. Like both of them died. Like my father, even though I never grew with him, he died around like 2008 or so. And then my stepfather, now he died like 5 years before my mother.
Dang. Alright, personally, I never have to deal with that, like lose. Apart from, I have this friend named Kerry. Usually play a pool together. That's my favorite game, pool. Like play a pool, so would I go out and gamble that during college. And one time, so I did my friend. So one time this thing did happen. I think in November 2008, they spotted a keeper Montego Bay. So we did the what the little club around like KFC Road, Infinity. Club Infinity. So everybody that drink and thing, and then when you hear them from earlier, so them a plan for race, go mobby and thing. But me that kind of the little man, cause my cousin them also did the hype and thing. But me I really the nerd, so I just that par with him.
Grass kind of feel it.
Oh, she a sit down for my slippers. Best friend things. So, well, while we are drink plan to go up there, accident, him lose him life, including the next girl named Lisa. And then, yeah. But apart from that, I never have to deal with like I lose somebody through death. I said that because I want to ask you, like, how was it for you? Like the whole dealing with it.
Like, whoa, very difficult because a lot changed in my life because my mother was like the only person that I really had, the only family.
I get it.
And
You cry?
I'm not cry. And then the most traumatizing thing is that she died in my bed.
So like you were there when she. Wow. How? That's why I didn't say I see people and you don't know where them are coming from. I'm like this though. I like this. Can't immortalize this in video. So why I love video so much, guys, because when tomorrow pass now and probably can't get by this, I can probably watch it back. I want to see how I share it with you know. So like the video. Like the video and subscribe. But differently though, banter aside, like I never know what to say to people where lose people through death more than just try to, make them comfortable as much as we can. But the way you get from that though, differently, you learn nothing from that to become stronger from it. You still a battle with it.
Like, me still battle with it at times, but me grateful which part me there right now because really believe say God, everything happened for a reason, and God created us, and um our life is like a book written by God, so we just live it daily. So anything will happen, we just can't question him. It happened for a reason, and I believe say um it actually happened for the best.
Oh. As I said that, I have one little thing on my mind I tell about. Like one little thing on my part of me. Like I tell myself say, like I don't worry about it, but part of me kinda fret about it. Even though like I just at the end of the day, like I just now I end up like by myself and alone. You see me that and the reason why I don't know, probably because why when I say that come up. I don't know, but anyhow, the question I'm really want to ask instead of I express that is like at the end of the day, like something in my eye, like matter in my eye. But I couldn't tell me say sitting in my eye. Sure. At the end of the day though, like where you see yourself, like family wise, married and their house with pick me and something, like at the end of the day, like paint the picture for me.
Really hope you have a family one day. Like that's the major thing when we focus on a family, because we never really have that. Never really have the family like that. So I hope we have one happy. I just want to be happy in our life and have one good family. I no want to do the bagger. the bagger. So we just want to have one family and focus on my family and live a happy life.
So that's your purpose for establish one family. Mine though, because sometimes I look for modern times and I say, oh John, I don't get no woman right now want to do that. You see me, so like myself, I try to find my happiness in something else, like videography, camera, all of that. So you ever think so probably have to just scrap there and just find love in something else or happiness in something else?
What do you mean? Like not
say probably find one sensible man for bear one child for.
If I don't say, say honestly, I don't think that. I don't really see no man will attract me or excite me the way they. I feel like I'm not going to ever find the kind of man I look for.
And that's my thing too sometimes. And then again, sometimes I feel like I'm here the problem sometimes too. Because of how I grew up, so some things I miss out on and I should have learned. And it cause an obstruction this or too. And sometimes I feel like I might never learn that thing that I need to learn. So that's why I try find happiness in like some apart from that. You see me? But nothing about it so. I think enough man that I probably need to have a little more patience though.
Me being patient. Me not rush anything, that's why I just go on normal.
Just go on normal.
Just go and live my life. Right man, me not look no man, me not look no relationship. Just I have faith in the big man up there, so I know say I go work things out for me one day.
Someone know though, what kind of man you like? What kind of guys do you like? No, sir. I don't understand. Come. No one know. Like, tell me. Like, paint the picture.
I was supposed to design the kind of man that I want. He would be dark or complexion. Like, I want a man with
So hold on. I don't mean for cut though. But the complexion is a deal breaker though?
Yes.
I know that.
We just have a thing. Me not me not want to say this on camera, but me know say a lot of people understand what me mean. Black man have.
Hold on. No, I know. What black man they have? Tell me.
Black man have what you have.
We don't know what that. We don't know. You have to tell me. I don't know. I don't know.
Alright, so as more man, we just really, honestly, me always say more that they would want soldier Our police.
John Star. John Star. Boy, anyhow, continue. Soldier, police.
Yeah.
Why though?
Because me just feel like for one, them them tough. They're
Okay.
rough. And
Okay.
me feel like a man were really rough, that the way they will bring out the woman inside of me more. That's
no.
one thing. Two, now me I go feel safe and protected, because if a man believe in a protecting his country, why would he do for his family at home?
You know, you're right. But me just turn on police, you know. Like me tell myself, say, like me put the people of the country life before myself. No, honestly. Because I grew up in a Christian home. And then they make me swear upon the Bible. So that that is just really serious to me. Because I say, I can't take God thing for joke. So then they carry me up there and they make me swear upon the Bible, swear and serve and protect my nation without favor and malice or ill will until I go in there and really understand the thing. But that aside, you know, like I literally see one stranger and then in a danger, and then the only thing me I think about, I have to protect them. And then when I think like me always I say, oh John, if me for dead, more and dead in a line of service. So like, you're right, but some of them do, them are, some of them are not that. They like, when you think in your head and that. Some of them just care about if you complete the hours and just go and yeah. But police and soldiers. So continue.
And
oh, by the way, if there's a policeman and you watch the video, do you see how I help you out a while ago? Alright.
thirdly, I would say like a man that is out there, you know, hardworking, and you're out in the streets, you're going to experience a lot, and you see things daily, and you will more focus on your family.
Yeah.
Because me want a family woman.
Yep.
Yeah.
How many kids do you want?
How many kids do I want? Like, any amount me can...
Oh.
Any amount me can take care of in the future.
So, if you can take care of 12 pitney or more.
I can't take care of 12 things.
My grandmother have 6.
I
6 is a number?
Too much pitney. Because more ensure say my child is happy and comfortable and has everything that he or she
I like how the light hit your face in the frame right now, I swear.
What would I say? 2.
2? 2 good. Boy and girl. More than anything though, I feel like I want a nice little princess, nice little girl. And just spoil her and protect her.
Twin, but twin in my family. So.
Me neither. I always say more that too, but that not in my thing. Twin. So, Natasha, I feel like we bleed out on a whole heap a while ago. Our best friend ceremony, this is our best friend ceremony, you know, so you can't, like, best friend ceremony, Natasha, I'm my best friend now. So.
Period.
Yeah. She know everything about me now, people.
Period.
You want to tell them a joke. My dad said tell them one thing, one I secret them I tell her, but that wouldn't make no sense. So we are cut now. Anything you want to say before we cut out?
I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for your support, and please just continue to support, continue to like the videos, continue to share, continue to comment, and just continue to do what you can do. And we appreciate you guys so much.
Yes, we do. And if for some reason you live under one stone, Richard Brown Films channel come back. So I don't know if I'm telling you still, but you see, I don't know if Richie see it, but him channel and the name Richard Brown, it has become more than just a YouTube channel. I just want a YouTube channel to upload movies. And then I think that can be proven in some of the videos them I upload, because like before this I did have one channel with 14,000 subscribers, and you know it's like the audience over there, like the platform never that. You have to go straight down though.
Yeah, go straight down.
Let me ask you something, Zine.
Yeah.
Like when you split, so like how it feel?
Try.
It no, my things no, I can't do that.
Make you exercise.
No.
No, just hold out when you put them.
Ah boy, problem. No, wait.
Your bone never broke. You want like a mood to say if you exercise?
I want like a meat, not wrong.
You don't have nothing for exercise if you want
Let me say. So meat more for my flesh. You want to recommend porridge and them something? Porridge.
Yeah, video.
Yeah. So you said the button was AF
on.
So it turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that means I'm in a focus.
Guys, I'm videoing my
So
friend.
when you move, just let go the AF and press it again, and then it'll go back in focus. So it's when it turn green, means I'm in a focus. So hold on, one day I can't do sit-ups. See, shit. You know, so I get
hear your bone. You hear your bone?
May I have too much sex at that? Maybe if it
Tap your eyes.
maybe if it keep me sperm. My name
You look good there, so.
You know?
Yeah.
Look sexual?
Not really.
Good.
You're a little meat.
wait. I feel like I got end the video. No. When I already get too much, I joke. When I get too much. But
Video can't.
I think the video personal. I'm going to save it to a whole heap of different places. Make sure I'm going to lose that one especially. But yeah. People, thank you again for the support. Thanks to all the people who help to get back Richard Brown Films channel. Big up yourself, Richie. The only
Big up
person.
the camera woman too.
Huh?
Big up the camera woman.
Big up. Tough. If you never see my set. Big up. Remember if you press the AF. Let it go and press it again for you come in focus. So, big up the camera woman. Big up Richie. Richie are the first person when I book in a life where have the same amount of passion towards video like what me have. I feel like him match it. Like I meet people like Adrian McDonald, I meet people like Jason Barnett, a whole heap of people who do video. And like video and photo, and like none of them me see passionate about it like how Richie passionate about it. And that just make me feel like you have more people in our world appreciate this video thing. So yeah. And thank you no. Thank all of you. Give me a camera. Now look here. People want to see how my camera girl position for video. 6 minutes left on the clock.
So as you were saying,
I'm gonna take some picture of Natasha before I leave. So come, close the video, Natasha. Tell them to like and subscribe and all the things. Are you the video anyway? So it now come back on my face.
come on that side then.
See, I'm thinking careful when I left.
Guys, please remember to like the video, leave a comment down below, share, because we really need the support, and continue to show us love, and we love you guys so much. Bye.
Good.